All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Well, the folks over at Benks has sent over their grand combo, and it's for the Z Fold 8. And we're going to take a look at this because, you know, this year's iterations of the Fold lineup is, some people are saying it's confusing, but we already knew that there was going to be multiple versions of the Fold. And as of right now, Benks has this version ready to go. This is their combo kit. You've seen me do this with the Fold 7, and it's no different with this one right here. So you can see here, you've got everything in here listed for you. So pause that if you want to. And they also sent over a dummy unit for the Fold 8. But I have my real Fold 7, and here's the dummy unit for the Fold 8. I don't know that you're going to see much difference in the hardware. As you can see here, these look identical. I just want to go ahead and not get this out of the way. You'll see that there's no SIM tray on the top this time. Looks like they might have moved it to the bottom. Who knows? I don't know. This is just a dummy unit. But no, yeah, the SIM tray will definitely probably be up top again. But you can see the microphones and the bottoms are just identical. And right here where the SIM tray would be, maybe it will be there. But these phones are identical in size and everything, more than likely. We shall see, but here is the dummy unit for the Fold 8. Yes, this is the Fold 8 Ultra. So this is considered the Ultra now. And this is what it's going to look like. And this is how thin it's going to be. Pretty much a Fold 7. So what I will do is save this Glass Warrior screen protector for the real phone. I don't want to put a fake unit with a real screen protector. That would just be a waste. And considering the price of these items, yeah, you wouldn't want to do that. But here's what you get when you purchase this. So obviously you get the shell here, to put it around so you can guide it on perfectly. Now, again, let me show you that this will probably work with the 7 as well. Yeah, it will. So that's good. And then you get some cleaning kit. And then you have the also famous Benks sticker there. If you've been following Benks long enough, you know. And then here's that glorious anti-drop, eye-friendly screen protector. Yeah, it's going to be nice. So stay tuned for a video on that. And we'll get back into this once my Z Fold 8 Ultra arrives. Yes, I'll be getting the Ultra and I'll be getting the other version. But here's what we're here for right now. This is something that I can test out for you on the Fold 7 and the Fold 8 unit here that they have. So I appreciate them taking care of this. This is really nice of them. We love Benks. Now here's the hinge phone case. This has hinge protection. You know, Benks they did hinge protection on the other one as well. And then here is the front phone case. So let's go ahead and move these two things out of the way here. Move this out of the way. And we're going to, and also obviously you can see they always do these magnetic grips where you can get the little part for the MagSafe, which is really good. This is a 360 thing. So I really like this, and I'll be showing you that in this video as well. So here is the front case. So we'll pop this open. And again, I'm going to go ahead and try this on the Fold 7 as well, because a lot of you guys are not going to get the Fold 8 Ultra. Why they're calling it the Ultra, we'll have to wait and see, because I don't know how ultra it will be based on what I'm seeing here. But this beautiful blue is going to be nice, because whatever color they send out, I'm going to probably like this blue version. It should be really nice. Let's get into the rest of this here. So you clearly get your instructions here and how to do it. No need to bore you with that. Now, I love that the cases have full hinge protection. I've learned also with these adhesive portions here, once I use them, you don't really need to use them again. That's just been my experience with them. But just a matter of preference. I don't put them back on once they get like worn and they come off. Sometimes they stick to the phone and then they have trouble getting back on there. So I just leave them off, and it seems to work just fine without it, but it's up to your discretion to do so. These beautiful hinges right here are really nice. Again, these are the 360. Check out the magnet on here. Look at how strong that is. That is strong. 360 meaning, you can have it set different ways, however you see fit to put it on. But you're going to need to have one of these, I would say, because these phones are big for a lot of people. And I think it's nice to have one of these as well. So you determine how you want to do it. But up to me, I'd go ahead and get one. So if you're a small hand person, this is how you're going to use it. You're going to be popping it out like that. You can see they've got a new design in here on the interior. I think that's pretty cool. Very nice. Designed by Benks. You can see. And just remember, this comes out. This is a 360 thing. So you just kind of get your finger in there, and this way you can help for all those people that have really small hands. And obviously I have very large hands, so I won't use that too often, but it is a thing. So the case, let's go ahead and clip off. Get some scissors here and clip off these tags. If it doesn't have these tags on here, folks, it's not official. It's not an official Benks product. I think you should know that by now. It's not an official Benks product. Pop it open here. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put this on the Fold 8 Ultra. I'll just leave these tabs on because, again, you don't really need to put them. I'm not going to stick them to the dummy unit. I'm going to stick them to my real unit. And we're going to pop this on. Yeah, it's looking like, oh, this is really sleek. Now it'll probably fit better on my real phone because this is a dummy unit. So these dummy units have like these, I don't know if you've ever felt a dummy unit of a phone before. It's kind of like, it's bigger than what it really is, so to speak. A little puffier, but let's see. Yeah, but I think this will work. But it gives you some idea of what this is going to look like. And this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the actual Fold 7 as well, real briefly though. I like the new design that they have here. This is really nice. You can see how thin this is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Remember, I'm not applying the adhesive. So, you're going to get a little bit of resistance here, but just kind of show you what this is going to look like once you actually get it on your real phone. This is very nice. Very, very nice. The fact that it's got hinge protection which is what people want. I want hinge protection on as many things as I get when I have a phone like this. But if it doesn't have hinge protection, I'm okay with that as well. I'm not the person to flip out because it doesn't have hinge protection. But you can see the buttons are open over here. Nice little subtle Benks information on there, their branding, and then their new logo looks really cool. You can see all ports are going to line up. So make sure your ports line up. And again, folks, take in mind, this is a dummy unit, so it's going to be a little bit different. But let's go ahead and put it on the Fold 7 because a lot of you guys are going to want to know if this will work on the Fold 7. And you're about to find out. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and go with the front piece first. Again, this is my working Fold 7. Let's see if it's any different in size. Yeah, see, it fits perfect on the Fold 7. Yeah, so Samsung didn't change any dimensions. And then you can see also the hinge works perfectly fine on this one. And if you put the adhesive on there, it's going to stick down permanently anyway, for at least for some time. But you can see on here, the ports and everything line up really solid because this is not a dummy unit. This is a real unit. So this is what you could expect if you decide to pick up the Benks setup. The Benks has just great products as a whole. They do great with their products. I'm not just saying that because they sponsor a lot of my videos. I have purchased many Benks products and they were solid. And so Benks liked what they saw in me, so they started sending them out to me. So I appreciate Benks supporting the channel. But I'm here to turn you on to what's going to be best for your brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. And again, why they're labeling it the Ultra, I don't know. But this is what you're getting. Well, obviously, they're naming it the Ultra because there's going to be another version of it. And so this is the case. This is the case. This is very nice. And a lot of you guys always want hinge protection. And this is like I don't know if this is real leather or not. It feels like it. Nowadays, you really can't tell. But this is really, and obviously this blue looks really great with my Fold, the blue Fold. But yes, I will be getting the Ultra, the 8 Ultra, which is this phone. I'll be getting this phone once I'm able to order. The event is coming up soon at the recording of this video. This demo unit just kind of confirms that, hey, there are no major changes to this. So just a name change ultimately. So, do your research, get it if you want to get it. Don't get it if you want to get it. If you have a Fold 7, I don't know that there'll be enough upgrades. Obviously, there's going to be a camera upgrade. So, they'll sell you on that from this 7 to the 8. It's going to be a camera upgrade. It's going to be a processor upgrade, a RAM upgrade more than likely, and it's going to be the same phone. So I will more than likely order this lighter color this year because, as you know, I didn't order this blue one. I ordered the mint, and then, I went to the event, so I decided to cancel. But here it is, the Z Fold 8 Ultra, and this is Benks. This is Benks showing out. They've done a great job, man. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.